Ladies and gentlemen, the show is about to begin.
Here we go on Kyle Taylor's Mega Motion. Here we go. It's the new Miami at K-Land. Here we go. It's actually not bad. Whoa, we got some airtime. Oh, there's the beast. This is a nice view, honestly. Whoa. First lap bar there's been since 2019. They got rid of Hulk and then we got this one, which is just equally as good and as good as a view. Oh, it was nice view. Then over to Taylor's Waltzer afterwards. Hold tight, here we go. Whoa! Oh my god, it's faster that way! Whoa! I love that. Oh, it's actually got some good air time! Oh! I love the view. Oh wait, there's the old like panels from the top over there. I'm not sure if you can see that. Oh! Here we go. Over the top again. Oh, just going slow again. I'm just gonna set it one more time. Oh, here we go! Wait. It is what you Alright, that's us. Yeah, that's us.
Thank you for riding with us today.